Hey, what's up? It's Buster. I'm going to be showing you how to do a pompadour today. We're going to be using some Dax Wave and Groom, some Mr. Turtle. The tools we're going to be needing: blow dryer, round brush, comb, a rake comb, slotted vents in the back of mine. So you're going to take the hair dryer, you're going to take these guys, we're just going to blow dry back. We're going to get a nice little foundation going for the slick back. The vents in the back of this will help it to get some volume inside your hair. Nice and easy. We'll be going with high heat, low speed. Still pretty down. So I'm going to be taking my round brush. What I'm going to be doing is combing back, and I'm going to rotate it. See how it gets that nice lift in the front? It's going to really help that front stand up. And when I do that, let me go back again. Takes more, you see? Alright, so this is just blow drying it alone. You can see how well it really helps out. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to grab my Dax Wave and Groom. I'm going to get a good scoop. And good scoop. You probably actually won't need that much. I got thick hair and I know how much I need. So, start small. That's actually your 2 scoops. So now that it's nice and well dispersed, it's melted, I mainly want this to be a foundation for the pomp. And I want it to keep my sides nice and malleable. Something that can keep on slicking back throughout the day. So here we go. I really only aim for the front right here, just to leave a nice little extra. I'm gonna go through the rest right now. Down. So I like where it's at. I want this to keep on drying back here, so if I liked having a whole lot of freedom with my hair, this would be it. I could get this done. My hair is still warm from the blow dryer, so it would definitely need to cool down before I could really style it. But 2 things, I want it to be warm, and truth be told, it doesn't have the hold that I'm looking for. So perfect example, if I do this, This is how I want it, but it's gonna continue to rise and puff out. Of course, it's not doing it right now because camera. While my hair is warm, I'd like to just put in one last product. It's gonna hold everything in, and on top of it, it's gonna mix with that oil base, so instead of being like a gel and hardening up, it's gonna stay nice and extra malleable. Let's just keep using that word today. Mr. Turtle, stronghold. Amazing smell. Finish in the jar. And the same two focuses, I just want to keep the sides down and I want that front up, so I'm gonna take most of this and I'm just gonna go pat down on the side right now. Then take this, whatever's left of that, and I'm just gonna really apply it to the roots and kind of pull up and out. And whatever I could get is whatever I can get. So we've done enough blow drying, we've got enough product in. I can do whatever I want. I'm gonna fall back in place every time. So this is your rake comb, I believe. Anyway, it's gonna take large sections of your hair and keep it, just comb it straight back. You can use it as a pick. I mean, that is a pick, probably, I don't know. But you're just gonna go straight back for the first few times. But you're not gonna slick it down, you're gonna pull up and back. And then you can do that, you can go up and back. You can see my hair wants to naturally do it, so I'm encouraging it by pushing it forward. We're kind of just going for getting everything in place. We're gonna fine tune still, but just keep it going. You want everything in line, so you can't really overcomb in this stage unless you're using too much pressure and slicking it down. You know, our regular fine tooth comb, as fine as you can tolerate. And we're just gonna, that easy. Because we use the other comb, we don't need to go too deep with this. We just need to pretty much connect this last layer to the rest of your hair. I can actually see right here it's gonna split. So you're gonna do this move. If you want to really top this off, you're gonna get a duck ass in the back. And there you have it. Perfect pompadour. I don't know, I'm happy with it. So, bye.